How to access Greenhouse employee login. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access the Greenhouse employee login. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in greenhouse.io and hit enter. On the Greenhouse homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the sign in button. You will be taken towards the login page. Enter your email address in the email field and click on next. Next, type in your password. Make sure you have entered it correctly, then click on the sign in button. After logging in, you will be directed towards the Greenhouse dashboard. Here, you can manage job posting, track candidate progress, collaborate with your team, and more. And that's it. You are now logged in into Greenhouse employee account and get ready to start working. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.